Brian Buffington. I'm the Fixed Operations Director at Lichtsinn RV.
How long have you worked here?
Going on 10 years in April.
Awesome. What is your favorite thing about working here at Lichtsinn RV?
I would say the people I work with. Just a great team, and we're all focused on providing good service to our guests, which I also enjoy meeting from all over the country.
And if you went on a week-long RV trip, where would you go?
I've been everywhere with my family so far. East, south. I think we would go west. I'd go west, Wyoming area maybe.
And what do you like doing in your free time when not at work?
Hobby farm keeps me busy. Kids events keep me busy. Just working on projects around the house.
Awesome. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.